Okay. Watch an American Monster on the Discovery Channel. Okay, like I said, the last two videos, this was geared to be a Pokemon video, stuff for Pokemon, but I had so much stuff I had to show everything. This one is the Charizard. I don't know if it's a 25th anniversary. It looks like it. Oh yeah, here it is right here. Just see the little 2-5. I don't know if you see it or not. 2. So that's the Charizard. This one's the... Which one is this one? Oh, this one's the Zacian with the pin. People are going crazy over that pin. Okay. Now this bag's very, 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 very... hardly anything in it. So... Chronicles Fat Packs. Or value packs, or whatever they're called. It's only like $6 something. $6. Chronicles Mega. Chronicles Mega. Chronicles Value Pack. Fits perfect. Bow and Chrome, single box in one bag. That's just crazy. Okay, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Chronicle hangers and one Chronicle basketball Mega, 1 Bowman Chrome Mega. That one is way too big. Let me take a couple of the gravity display boxes. Oh, I forgot about this. The guy grabs this and says, "Here you go." I don't know what it was. Here, well, he scanned it. He's like, "Oh, after my credit card was in there." He's like, "Oh, I forgot to take that off." I said, "What is it?" I didn't even know what it was. It's a Yu-Gi-Oh! tin. And it was cheap, so I said, screw it, I'll keep it. First time I ever bought Yu-Gi-Oh! Stuff. Alright, what is this over here? Okay. And this is... I got like 4 of these, 3 of these, and one of a different kind. Little clipboard things for work. Movie. It's a 2 movie set from the mind of Jim Henson. Flair metal. I don't even think it's Flair. I think it's Skybox. Yep, Skybox Universal Metal. No, Metal Universe. Yeah. I actually thought I bought a second movie. I guess not. Yeah, that movie. There's 2 movies for $5. I think it said. No, 2 movies for $3. All right. Like I told you in the last video, I'm totally exhausted, and I need to get some sleep. Attaché case, cell phone. Wow, it's 2:35 in the morning. 61%. I guess I could charge it. That needs to be charged. And the last of the Barnes & Noble bag. And then I'll end this video and make it a short one. I forgot about this. Nice. They let you buy 2 of everything, so I don't know. Even though some of this, a lot of times I pass it over. But this particular day, looks like I bought everything. Gypsy Queen. Blaster. Prism Football. Blaster. Another Gypsy Queen. Another Prism Football. Only 1 hockey. And 1 Allen & Ginter. I remember only getting 1 of those because I figured if I wanted more hockey, I'd just go back the next day because they had like 40 or 50 of them there. And Allen & Ginter's more expensive than the other one, so I bought the cheaper ones, 2 apiece. The football and the baseball are 2 apiece. And those other ones are 30 apiece. So, that's why I did it. Then, it's weird. Some weeks they have Chilling Rain. Some weeks they have, what's the new one? Evolving Skies. Absolute Baseball. So, the only other thing they had were these things I got. Noivern and Rayquaza theme decks. So, and that's a really, I don't know if you can see it, but look at how sweet that card is. Beautiful artwork. Alright, the Noivern's really cool too. The eyes are really cool, but I don't know how good the card is. So it's cool, but it's weird. I mean, like, I don't know, if you like twist it, you see this really cool, like purplish, goldish, greenish shimmer to it. It's really neat. But this one's sweet. I mean, that one's just straightforward in your face. Alright, anyways, who cares? I'm delirious. I'm getting excited over theme decks. Alright. Oh, shoot. Alright. And, I've got a ton of stuff there, and there, but I'll do that video tomorrow. Maybe. Alright, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Bye-bye.